Hello and hi guys, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. In this video I will show you how you can add skills bar like this in your WordPress page or blog using Divi Builder. I have added this using Divi plugin. To add it, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now once you successfully logged into your site, go to plugins and click on add new. Now here we will add a new plugin. For this, search Divi. Here you can see Divi add-on plugin. Now click on install now. Once the plugin installed, click on activate. Now it will take you to these settings. I will skip these settings, just click on dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. Now go to post and click on add new. Here you have to add post title. I will add my skills and then click on choose Divi builder button. Now here you have to select a layout. I will building from scratch. Now click on this single row. Here the modules appears. Scroll down. Here you can see these modules come with the plugin that we have added now, the Divi plugin. And here you can see Tark skill bars module. Select this one. Now to add a skill bar, click on this plus button. Here you have name of your skill. I will use similar web design. You can change its level. I will make it 75%. Now you can hide the text level in percentage like that. You can make it outside of the box, but inside is perfect. Now go to design, bar style. You can change bar color like that. Collapse this section and go to this text section, and you can change the design of your text like that. I will make it dark black. Now click on the stick button and add a new bar. I will add web development. Change the level. I will make it 60%. Now go to design, bar style, and change the background color. Now click on the stick button and add a new bar. Add name. I will add data science. Change level. I will make it 50%. Now go to design and change the bar background color. I will make it yellow. Change text color to the black like that one. Now go to text level, change its color to black. Now click on the stick button. Here you have another design section. When you click on it, here you can see the title text section. Change its font to, I will make it Acme, and it was changed. Make it bold and change its size to 35 like that. Now collapse this section. Now click on the stick button, click on these three dots and publish the post. Now your post was published. To take a live preview, first you need to exit the visual builder. Now here you can see your skill bars appear like that. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. Thanks for watching.